Epic adventures!
Ben, look at this pyramid. It's huge. No way people built that. It looks impossible. Ari, why is there sand everywhere?
Looks like you both have a big question.
Who are you?
I'm an explorer, and I can show you the answer.
Show us?
Let's go back in time.
Whoa! It's even bigger in real life. But how did people build this without machines?
That's exactly what we're here to find out. First, workers cut giant stones from rocks and quarries.
They're shaping them into blocks. Wait, these stones look different.
Exactly. These are special white limestone blocks from a place called Tura.
They're so much whiter than the brown stones.
Yes, these white stones will go on the outside of the pyramid.
Whoa, that's heavy.
Each block could weigh as much as a car, or more.
Yeah, I'm definitely not lifting that. Wait, how are they moving it?
They used wooden sleds.
And people are pulling them together. That looks so tiring.
It took teamwork, hundreds of workers for each stone.
Why are they pouring water? Isn't that going to make it worse? Wait, it's faster now.
Water makes the sand firmer, so the sled slides easily.
That's actually really smart. How do they get it up there?
They built ramps using sand and mud.
That looks even harder. I would give up halfway.
That's why it took patience. Stone by stone,
It's getting taller.
layer by layer. The pyramid slowly grew over many years.
Now what are they doing?
Now comes the final touch, the placing the white Tura limestone blocks on the outside.
So it becomes white on the outside.
The white blocks cover the entire outside of the pyramid.
It's turning white. They actually did it? It's incredible.
This is the Great Pyramid of Giza. It was built with more than 2 million stones.
That's like the biggest Lego set ever.
But there's something interesting that happens next.
Wait, what's happening to it?
Dust storms sweep across the desert constantly.
The white is changing.
The sun, wind, and sand slowly affect the stone.
It's turning yellow.
Yes! Dust and sand particles from the desert stick to the stone over time.
So that's why it's yellow now instead of white.
The brilliant white pyramid we just saw becomes more yellow and golden as time goes on.
It's still beautiful though. But why build it?
Pyramids were tombs for pharaohs, the kings of ancient Egypt.
Like royal houses?
Yes, they believed pyramids helped them reach the stars.
That's beautiful. That was the coolest thing ever. Now I get how pyramids were built.
So tell me, what do you think was the hardest part?
Pulling the stones. Building the ramps.
Maybe all of it. First, stones were cut. Then, they were moved on sleds. Water helped them slide. Ramps helped lift them up. And with teamwork, people built something amazing. What do you think was the hardest job?
Tell us in the comment section below. See you next time. Click subscribe for next adventures.